Most people think they lose mobility because of age. But that's not true. You don't get stiff because you're getting older. You get stiff because your body stops doing what it was designed to do. And once that happens, your body doesn't just age. It starts aging twice as fast. But here's the good news. There are 5 simple movements that can reverse this process. Do them daily, and your body will stay mobile, strong, and pain-free for decades. And the 5th one? That's the one most people avoid. And it's exactly why they lose independence later in life. This isn't a random workout. This is a daily mobility reset. 5 movements, 5 minutes, that restore how your body is supposed to move. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Cat-cow, spine reset. The cat-cow is not just a warm-up. It's how you feed your spine. Your spinal discs don't have a direct blood supply. They rely on movement to absorb nutrients. So when you sit for hours, your spine slowly becomes stiff, dry, and restricted. That morning stiffness you feel? It's not aging. It's your spine asking for movement. The cat-cow restores fluid, reduces stiffness, and brings your spine back to life. Slow, controlled, rhythmic. This is where mobility begins. Number 2, 90 over 90. Hip hold, unlock your hips. Your hips are the foundation of your entire body. But modern life locks them in place. Sitting for hours, driving, scrolling. All of this slowly shuts down your hip rotation. And when your hips stop moving, your lower back and knees take the stress. That's where pain begins. The 90 over 90 hip hold doesn't just stretch muscles. It targets the joint itself. It restores the rotation your body quietly loses over time. When your hips move freely again, everything above and below starts to feel lighter. Number 3. Deep squat. Rebuild your base. The deep squat is not an exercise. It's a natural human position. In fact, your ability to sit in a deep squat is one of the strongest indicators of long-term health. This position acts like compression therapy for your knees and ankles. It restores elasticity, improves circulation, and reduces stress on your lower back. If you can't squat comfortably today, don't worry. Your body hasn't lost the ability. It just forgot. And this movement helps you reclaim it. Number 4. Puppy pose. Fix your posture. Look around. Almost everyone today has the same posture. Head forward, shoulders rounded, chest collapsed. This is what years of screen time does to your body. The puppy pose is one of the fastest ways to reverse that. It opens your chest, releases tight shoulders, and brings your upper spine back into alignment. But it does something deeper. It allows your lungs to expand properly again. So you're not just improving posture, you're improving how you breathe. Number 5. Horse stance, the ultimate test. Now this is where everything changes. The horse stance is not just a movement. It's a test of your structural strength. While the other exercises open your body, this one builds your foundation. Your hips, your knees, your stabilizers. Everything has to work together here. And most people fail this within seconds. Not because they're weak, but because their stabilizing muscles are asleep. When you hold this position, your legs will shake. That's not weakness. That's your nervous system waking up. This one movement alone can make your lower body injury resistant for years. Now here's how to combine everything into one simple routine. Start with cat-cow 60 seconds. Then 90 over 90 hip hold 30 seconds each side. Move into a deep squat 60 seconds. Then puppy pose 60 seconds. Finish with horse stance 60 seconds. That's it. 5 minutes. No equipment. No complexity. Just a system your body understands. Random workouts won't fix your body. Consistency will. Start today. Not next week. Not tomorrow. Today. And after you finish, comment below, I started. Because this time, you're not guessing anymore. You're rebuilding your body the right way. And if you want to master the horse stance, and build real lower body strength. Watch the next video.